Here are a few tips for buying golf clubs without spending a lot of money. Buy used clubs. You can often find used golf clubs in good condition for much less than the cost of new clubs. Look for used clubs online at thrift stores or at garage sales. Buy older models. Golf club manufacturers release new models every year, which can make older models less expensive. Consider buying a slightly older model of a club you are interested in, which may still be in great condition but at a lower price. Buy a starter set. Starter sets typically include a few basic clubs that are designed for beginners. While these sets may not include all the clubs you need, they can be a good starting point and are often more affordable than buying each club separately. Check discount retailers. Discount retailers such as Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods may have lower priced options for golf clubs. Borrow or rent clubs. If you are just starting out, consider borrowing or renting clubs instead of buying them. This can give you a chance to try out different types of clubs before investing in your own set. Remember that while price is important, it's also important to make sure that the clubs you purchase fit your body type, swing style, and skill level. So, make sure to take the time to research and test out different clubs before making a purchase.